Ready to refresh your space? IKEA's latest arrivals bring smart design, stylish details, and everyday functionality. Whether you're upgrading storage, adding cozy touches, or improving lighting, these pieces make life easier and more beautiful. From space-saving solutions to bold statement pieces, here's a look at the latest must-haves. All product links are in the description. A splash of summer in candle form. This playful pillar candle holder, inspired by vibrant swim rings, brings a cheerful pop of color to any space. Designed to spark conversation and warm nostalgia, it's more than just a candle holder. It's a mood booster. Bonus, it also doubles as a tiny storage spot for knickknacks. Dine in style with the LYCKAN chair, a modern take on the classic cantilever design. The birch veneer frame flexes just enough to cradle you in comfort, while the vibrant yellow lacquer adds a sunny, uplifting touch to your space. Use it as a dining chair, a lounge chair, or a bold accent piece that sparks joy. Sleek, sturdy, and smart, the BÄSINGEN step stool makes everyday tasks effortless. Its non-slip surface and easy grip rail offer stability, whether you're reaching high shelves or stepping out of the bath. The rail also doubles as a towel holder, blending function with style. Light up your home with a playful nod to summer fun. This swim ring-inspired Tealight holder is a perfect mix of quirky and practical. Whether holding candles, tiny plants, or even office supplies, it's a small detail that makes a big impact. A storage essential with a refined touch. LEDAMOT blends clean lines with thoughtful details. Solid wood legs, push-to-open doors, and an open wood-accented shelf for displaying your favorite pieces. Adjustable shelves behind closed doors make organization effortless. Bold, stylish, and sustainably made. This pattern mug is crafted from recycled materials, making your coffee breaks feel as good as they taste. Mix and match with the rest of the SILVERSIDA series to set a table that's as vibrant as your mornings. This gold frame coffee table topped with sleek glass adds a subtle touch of elegance to any living space. Hidden fittings and an elevated steel frame make the design feel seamless. The TORSJÖ side table brings a timeless charm with its gold-colored frame and glass top. Whether placed beside your sofa or as a standalone accent piece, sip in style with this colored glass mug, perfect for both hot and cold beverages. The heat-resistant glass ensures durability, while the comfortable handle makes every coffee break a little more luxurious. Available in 2 rich color combinations. Pick your favorite or mix and match. Baking just got easier. This Danish dough whisk blends ingredients smoothly without sticking, making it ideal for bread, cookies, or even mixing meat. The sturdy beech handle offers a comfortable grip, and the open loop design prevents clumps. Hang it up with ease when you're done. Small detail, big impact. These smooth, easy grip brass colored knobs add a modern yet timeless touch to your furniture. Upgrade your cabinets, drawers, or wardrobes with this simple yet stylish accent. Keep your kitchen organized in style. This stoneware utensil holder, with its beautiful glazed surface, is both functional and decorative. Perfect for ladles, whisks, or even fresh herbs. It's a versatile addition to any countertop. A sleek lighting solution for your dining area or kitchen island. With 3 adjustable height bulbs, the Samboard pendant lamp offers direct, even lighting while maintaining a minimalist, modern look. Adjust the wires effortlessly to get the perfect fit for your space. Maximize workspace with the Clamp-On Samboard desk lamp. Its adjustable arm and rotatable head let you direct light exactly where you need it. Ideal for reading, studying, or working late into the night. A simple button on top makes it easy to turn on and off. Smart waste sorting meets sleek design. The trusting bin can stand alone or be stacked, making it perfect for small spaces. A foldable lid ensures easy access, while built-in handles make carrying a breeze. Plus, it's made with at least 50% recycled plastic. Good for your home and the planet. IKEA blends smart design with affordability, offering pieces that elevate your home while staying practical. Whether it's sleek storage, a charming mug, or better lighting, these new arrivals have something for everyone. All product links are in the description. Explore and bring fresh inspiration home.